everything is awesome. I'm stressed. Good morning, everything. Just a little. Yeah. Let me just get this book ready. Whoa! I was about to fall. I'm gonna go take a walk. Let me just get my hat, and I'm out the door. Just getting dressed. I'm out the door. Goodbye. What a nice summer day. I'm gonna go take a walk. Bye. Hi, I'm Bob. Everyone, I'm famous. I'm famous.
Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome when we're living our dream. Everything is better when we stay together. Side by side, you and I growing forever. That's why.
What's happening? Where am I? Hi, do you know what this place is called? Yes, I'm the knight in shining armor, and this place is Galaxarda. Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Princess of Galaxandra, and I wish you a good day. Oh, well, thank you. Is there any place where I can go? Well, talk to the wizard. What is the password? I have no idea, but I just gotta, would you just look away for a minute? That is the password! You may proceed. That was the password! Well, thank you. I didn't even know that was the password. I'm a little guy, and my name is Anna, and I'm a master builder. La 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 la. I don't sing like a little girl, if you're thinking that. Yay! Yay! Oh, Mama, and candy! Oh, candy! Oh, I'm at the top. What is that? Oh, what's that big giant light in my face? I have no idea what it is, but I want to go see. It's a dragon! It's a dragon! Oh, nice dragon! Look! Oh, great! Ha ha ha! It's me! Uh-oh. Guys, I don't feel so good. Oh no! The power went out! The power went out! Someone help! I don't feel so good! I don't see anything! Me neither! It's so black! What's going on? I don't feel good at all! Me too! Mommy! Go on with my candy bar! You're a nut job, whoever just said that. Uh-oh. It's me, Bob. I'll do the power back. Bob, did you make the power go out? Did you? Tell the truth. Yeah. I just Duh. tomorrow. Oh, good, I'm safe now. Just one more thing. I think